Hi, how are you?
Hi, I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm good. Thanks. What's your name?
My name is Sarah. What's your name?
My name is Ollie. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from? Sarah?
I'm from Iran. And you?
I'm from Turkey. Do you live in Iran now?
Yes. I live in Tehran. How about you?
I live in Istanbul. Have you ever been to Istanbul?
No, I haven't. But I'd like to visit someday. Is it a big city?
Yes. It's very big and beautiful. There are many historical places to see.
That sounds amazing. What do you do, Ollie?
I'm a student. I study engineering. What about you?
I'm a teacher. I teach English.
Wow, that's great. How long have you been teaching?
I've been teaching for 5 years.
That's impressive. Do you like teaching?
Yes, I love it. It's very rewarding. Do you like studying engineering?
Yes, I do. It's challenging but interesting.
What do you do in your free time?
I like reading books and watching movies. What about you?
I enjoy listening to music and going for walks.
That's nice. Do you like sports?
Yes, I do. I like playing volleyball. Do you play any sports?
Yes. I play football with my friends.
That sounds fun. It was really nice talking to you, Ollie.
It was nice talking to you too, Sarah. I hope we can meet again soon.
Me too. Have a great day.
You too. Bye.
Bye.